Okay, good morning. Welcome to
We're 953.
I'm at 953. So I learned about this book on Twitter, and I was thinking, and I haven't even honestly, this is actually the first time I'm even opening it. 50 challenging problems in probability. And I thought we might do a whole series of probability problems out of this book, assuming they're not that hard. I actually, know I've seen the first problem, but I haven't even opened the book yet. Alright, so hopefully that didn't break it. So is that on screen? The sock drawer problem?
Yep.
Zoom in. So it says, a drawer contains red socks and black socks. When two socks are drawn at random, the probability that both are red is 1/2. A, how small can the number of socks in the drawer be? How small if the number of black socks is even?
Okay.
Okay. Do you understand the problem?
Yep.
Yep.
You do?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, good. Now I need to remember to zoom out because sometimes I forget to do that. Alright. Here's my marker. So we have a drawer with some socks in it, red and black. When you pick two socks at random, the probability that you have a pair of red socks is 1/2.
Yeah.
So, how do you want to approach this problem? We're trying to find the smallest number of socks that can be in the drawer, and the smallest number of socks is even, or number of black socks is even.
Well, we could just start with the first part.
Okay. Oops, sorry about that.
Well, we could do the equation for it. So it'd be the number of possible black pairs that you pick over the total number of possible pairs, and that equals
Yeah, was it
1/2.
red? The probability that both are red. Yeah, so
They're
red.
red. So if you just call the number of red socks R, the number of black socks B, so R plus B is the total number of socks.
Okay.
So I guess you would have R choose 2 as the top, since this is picking a pair of
What
red
does
socks.
R choose to mean?
So it means you have a set of R things, in this case socks, and then you're picking 2 of them.
Okay.
So this like simulates picking a pair.
Alright.
And then this is over R plus B, choose 2. And this is the total number of possible pairs.
Okay.
And this equals 1/2.
Okay, very nice. So that's what we know. We seem to have two variables, R and B, and we have just one equation. But that's our equation, so that's a nice job. You want to hand the marker to your brother? How would you want to proceed from here?
Well, we can. So we want to find the smallest number of socks where this works.
Mm-hmm.
So maybe we want to set the number of black socks equal to 1, and then try to solve this equation. So then we only have one variable, and one black sock is the smallest number of black socks you can have. So maybe that leads to the smallest number of total socks.
Okay, yeah, that's an interesting idea.
Alright, so I'll just rewrite it down here. So we have R times R minus 1 over 2. Actually, that will make more space.
Yeah.
So
You can rewrite it. R choose 2. So R choose 2 is what?
R times R minus 1 over 2.
Okay.
Yep.
2 times 1 if you want to be precise. And then R plus B turns into R plus 1. So R plus 1 times R over 2.
Okay, and this is because for now you're saying
They're saying that.
let's look for the minimum number
B
by
equals
setting
1.
B equal 1. Okay.
So the 1/2s are going to cancel out from top and bottom. And then the R's are going to cancel out. So our equation is going to be R minus 1 over R plus 1 equals 1/2.
Okay.
So, well, we can solve this if we want, but you can kind of just see that R equals 3 works here.
All right.
3 minus 1 over 3 plus 1. 2/4 equals 1/2.
Okay.
Or if you wanted, you could say 2r minus 2 equals r plus 1, so r equals 3.
Alright, so now I brought over some other markers, just making sure they work here. So this is black, which I just grabbed a brown marker. So I have one black sock, and then I have, what was it, 3? 3 red socks. Why, when I pick a pair out of here, do I have a 50% chance of getting a, when I pick 2 socks out of here, why do I have a 50% chance of getting a red pair, where red is orange?
Well, you have 3 red pairs you could have. You could have these 2 socks, these 2 socks, and these 2 socks.
Okay.
And then you could also have some additional red-black pairs. You could have this pair, and this pair. So 3 out of the total 6 pairs work. So it's a half.
Alright, great. Good job. Alright, let's move on to the second problem.